back to Heather's Crafty Classroom. Today I have a little project share. It is amazing. All right, let me show you what I made. So this came from a tutorial from Michelle Allen at A Creative Operation. So she made this cute little box. Wait, TC. I just decorated mine. I used an old paper collection from I believe it's from Hobby Lobby, and it's probably 10 years old. It's like super old. Boys will be boys or something like that. I was just using it because I used pictures for my two kids. This is a belly band that she shows you how to make, and then the little box, it sits in here. All right, so it's just a little holder. And this is the actual project. And she doesn't do any pictures on her. She does, because she didn't have any printed. She just used paper, which it turned out so cute. So these are my boys. They are 10 years apart. So it's fun. But anyway, this is a box that maneuvers all different ways. This is the other side. And it goes like a triangle both ways. So I did pictures both ways, and then you could do it this way. And these are my boys, all different. But isn't that just amazing? I just love this. You can make it in a cube both ways. It's so much fun. I am so excited about this. It was so much fun for me to make. Look at that. That's so cute. And there's only a picture on the top and the bottom. Anyway, this was my awesome project. I loved making it. I'm going to try to make it. This measures 6 by 6. I'm actually going to try to make it a little bit bigger because the pictures were hard to size for this. And if I made a 4 by 4 picture, so I'm thinking maybe just a smidge bigger. So we'll see if I can do that. If I can figure that out, I may come back and show you guys. But this part is 6 by 6. With this, it's 6 1/4, I believe. And then you could put it in here either way. I just love this. And then this whole comes on. And it's just the way, I think I can get 16 pictures is the max I think I counted. Right now I think I have, let's see, there's 4 and 4, so 8. And then I have 9, 10, 11, 12. And the other places I thought is you could put them right here and right here and right here and right here. I wouldn't put them, even though like you could, it would look funky on the outside because it's the outside. So I would always leave the outside plain. I just love this. I think this is so dang cute. So I'm going to play around with some paper and see if I can make it bigger to hold 4 by 4 pictures or something just even a little bit bigger. Like these pictures are not even 3 inches. So it makes life a little harder. So I thought if I could do them, I don't know. And I think I could do a little bit bigger than this. Like I think it would be okay. Because we make 8 by 8 albums. So I think a box that's 8 would be good. So anyway, I'm going to see what I could do. Maybe I'll come back later today. You never know. All right. Thanks, guys, for watching. I'm going to put Michelle Allen's tutorial link down below for you guys. Go check it out. And she does an amazing job. All right. If you have any questions, let me know. But yeah, this is my little project for today. I just love it. So have a great day. See you later. Bye.